She ain't coming up to it now. Like I said, there's a full tree, look, there's trees all over the road from where the trees have fell down. Holy crap. Look at that. Like the full trees fell out of the ground. Literally, onto someone's car. Wow. I think that's the point where I turn around. I said most of the bad wind seems to be gone now anyway. But it's still ridiculous, man. Just to think of all the destruction was done by the wind. There's one thing we've got enough of in Britain, it's trees, so... Man. Mad, man. Like I was cruising through. Easy to get on. As you can looking. I said got full fences that fell down. Not behind me. Full fences. Got trees at the side of the road. Got another fence. Like I said, it's just mad. Absolutely mad. Another fence missing. Another tree. Side of the road. It's crazy. Crazy. As I can see, there being quite a lot of money worth of damage done overnight. So we're going to have to come out of own people's pockets, which isn't good. Because like I said, right after Christmas as well, we can afford to fork out for a new car or fix your roof or something like that. It's just like, look, another fence. It's like ridiculous, isn't it? What timing? So people are still going out to work as normal. I can't believe it's gone from like literally that crazy overnight to like not even being that bad now. It's not even that windy. It's ridiculous. But yeah, staying for part 6 or part 7 I think next.